Sometimes people just want a nice little cruise outside the island, and the Black Swan is the perfect way to do that. The Black Swan is a really beautiful boat. It is fully electric. It is a comfortable ride. You have comfortable leather seats inside. Doesn't get any better than that. Within this part, the manatees are highly concentrated. So every day you go out, you have a high possibility of viewing the manatees. Every day is a different day. Sometimes you get to see sea turtles, sometimes you get to see dolphins, you get to see a lot of different wildlife that are within the area. You have 45 minutes of free complimentary Wi-Fi, you have free complimentary rum punch. I love teaching people about my country, about the different cultures, about what Belize is all about. People go out, enjoy themselves, come back in, and have a great time at the island. The Black Swan is the perfect boat cruise around the island.